Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Tecno Pova Curve to 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Here you can see this is the incorrect password. You are unable to unlock your phone. Okay, to do hard reset, first press and hold the power button. And now simply tap to power off the smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now, guys, press and hold the volume up and power button together. And when the Tecno logo and a vibration will occur, okay, listen it carefully. When a vibration and the Tecno logo appears, quickly release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. You can see wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. I would like to inform you that it is not informing this thing, but I want to inform you that all user data on this device will be erased. And here go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device. That after hard set might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Tecno Pova Curve to 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.